हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 9 हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट के चैप्टर नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन एंड कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट। द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया हु took an initiative in resolving the question of the Tamil minority in Sri Lanka was। राइट आंसर है राजीव गांधी। नेक्स्ट है डैश इज द फादर ऑफ द ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन इन इंडिया। राइट आंसर इज एम एस स्वामीनाथन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई एंड राइट द रॉन्ग पेयर। इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल इमरजेंसी। राइट पेयर। नेक्स्ट, राजीव गांधी डेवलपमेंट इन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। राइट पेयर। नेक्स्ट, पीवी नरसिम्हा राव इकोनॉमिक इम्प्रूवमेंट्स। राइट पेयर। Next, Chandrasekhar Mandal Commission, wrong pair. Second question, write short notes on globalization. Answer है globalization brought about many changes in different fields like economy, politics, science and technology, and society and culture. India has emerged as an important country on the global scene in different spheres. India has experienced an important revolution in the field of telecommunication technology. Next, White Revolution. Answer है White Revolution is a major movement towards self-reliance India. The experiment in cooperative dairy movement by Dr. Varghese Kurian led to increase of milk production in India. This lead to an increase in the demand of milk production. This is called as White Revolution. Third question, give reason. The Morarji Desai government lasted for a short while. Answer है the Congress party led by Indira Gandhi was roundly defeated by newly formed Janata Party. Morarji Desai became the Prime Minister, but under his leadership, the Janata Party government couldn't last long due to internal differences. Next question. The army had to be sent into the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Answer है during 1980, the Indian political system faced many new challenges. The Sikhs in Punjab demanded as independent state of Khalistan and began a movement which went on to become violent and destructive. Pakistan had lent its support to this movement. The Indian Army was sent into the Golden Temple at Amritsar, a holy shrine of the Sikhs, in 1984 to evict the terrorists who had allegedly taken shelter there. Next question है The National Planning Commission was set up in India. Answer है right from independence, the modernization of economy, economic self-sufficiency and social justice have been the characteristics of Indian economy. India wanted to acquire modernity and self-reliance by establishing industries. To establish an economy based on social justice through planning, the National Planning Commission was established that would coordinate development through the policy of 5-year plans. Fourth question, answer the following question in detail. How was 1991 a year of important changes in the history of the world and of India? Answer है the year 1991 is held to be very important in the history of the world as well as India. The Soviet Union disintegrated into several different small countries and the Cold War came to an end. In India, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in the Indian economy. Next question, what are the characteristics of the Indian economy? Answer है the characteristics of Indian economy are right from independence, the modernization of economy, economic self-sufficiency, and social justice have been the characteristics of the Indian economy. India wanted to acquire modernity and self-reliance by establishing industries to establish an economic base on social justice through planning. For this, the National Planning Commission was established that would coordinate development through the policy of 5-year plans. Fourth question. With the help of the information in the chapter, complete the list of the challenges before India and the strength of India. फर्स्ट कॉलम में है द चैलेंजेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ इंडिया, सेकेंड कॉलम में है स्ट्रेंथ. फॉर एग्जांपल इंडिया पाकिस्तान वार, स्ट्रेंथ है यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी. नेक्स्ट है सेल्फ सफिशिएंसी, 5-year प्लान. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेंथ में है न्यूक्लियर प्रिपेयर्डनेस, चैलेंजेस है टेररिज्म. नेक्स्ट है चैलेंजेस में है सेपरेटिज्म, स्ट्रेंथ है नेशनलिज्म. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमारे चैप्टर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.